Hey everybody, welcome back. I hope you had a restful and happy spring break. This is week number 30. Let me go ahead and share my screen because we've got lots to cover today. Share my screen. Of course, I gotta get back into the swing of things. Okay, there it is. Welcome back. Alrighty, this is the slideshow. It is week 30. This will be for the week. It's a short week. It goes Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, no school Friday, no school Monday, which is the day I'm shooting this. All right, we have week XX 10, 20, and 30. Week 30, my goodness, we are one more quarter, and it is the end of 7th grade. My goodness, we have lots to do this quarter, though. There's so much planned out. We have 2 big projects this term, so it's really, and the last one is kind of putting everything we've done all together, but we'll talk about that soon. It is the 22nd, so this is for the Tuesday and Wednesday days. The quarter of the week is there. You can see it is small as the crab, but large as its whole, meaning size does not limit your accomplishments, meaning anybody can achieve. It is a B schedule on the Tuesday. We will have the Luke Skywalker homework due Thursday. Okay, so I changed that. So Luke Skywalker was originally due the Friday before spring break, the day we had our final test. But I've moved it to this week, Thursday, because that's when we're going to go over it in class. Remember, you need to bring the hard copy to class. Okay, so if you're online, we'll go over it online. But if you are in person, you need to bring the in-person hard copy. I'm changing this for quarter 4 because I feel that we've had too many Google Docs. And it's just not as easy in my mind to check it. Okay, and then we also have the X-Wing homework, which is due Friday. There is no school Friday, but it's due Friday, and we will review it the following Monday. So that's kind of how this week is going to go. I saw a couple of students over the break. I saw Diego, I saw Ace, both in 7th grade. I saw a 9th grader, Diesel. It was great to see him. I didn't even recognize him. He's my height now, so you guys will get so tall. All right, we always come in, enter agreement, attendance, do the prayer. We've got some birthdays coming up. Dre, Brazen, Peely. So happy early birthday to you guys. We'll be celebrating in a couple weeks. And then we will review the test when we come back on Tuesday. We'll stretch, and then we'll have a study hall and clean up and dismissal. Now, the rest of the week, okay, so here's the test. One thing I did want to talk about, why do we do this? Well, we want to see our growth. We want to see how the data looks and improve our test taking abilities. We see how much we've learned. This was a really tough Donkey Kong test. It was super hard. The total scores, so you can see for period 2, the average was a 43 out of 50. That's a B. The period 4 average was a 39 out of 50. 39 times 2 is 78. That's actually a C. So our average was a C. This was a really hard test, and I'll tell you what I did about it in a moment. 42 for period 5, that's an 84B, and a 40 out of 50, it's an 80B. So I know this was really tough. I've taken into account that it was a very difficult test. So what I'm going to do is something that is common in college courses. So I like to treat you guys like you're in college sometimes. And I'm going to grade on what we call a curve, meaning that the highest score in our grade is going to be bumped up to 100%. So whoever got the highest score, if you got a 48 out of 50, and I think there are 4 of you, and there was actually one student who got a 48 and a half. So he got a little bonus bump, but I'm going to say 48 for even numbers. The highest score was a 48 out of 50. So every student, so those 4 guys are going to get a 50 out of 50. Now, every student is going to thus receive +2 to their score. We will go over it when we turn from break. And like I said, actually it was a 48.5. And also as we go through and review this, I want you to know that I graded it very tough. But there were some times what I might have given you a half point, okay? And there were some times I maybe said, okay, I saw your work, but you did it good, or maybe you just wrote, maybe you wrote a 9 instead of a 6, or you wrote it upside, something like that. So in those instances, it means I take into account your behavior / effort being factored into your grade, okay? So that's just an important note, and I'll talk about that when we do it. All right, that's the day. Now, and then Thursday, we'll review the Luke Skywalker homework, and I might even get us a little head start early on our Q4 big project, which is called the country profile / budget analysis. So just be ready for all the big things coming up. Okay, that's all I got for you guys. I hope you have a great day. I will see you in class tomorrow.